So this is it. You can decide to add your band, that's if you want it as a skirt, or you can decide to turn it to add your upper bodice as a dress. So whichever works. You can see this gave me a very beautiful flay, 360 flay. So it's now left for you to decide whatever you want to use. But for me, I'll be joining an upper bodice to it. So thank you for watching. God bless you. I'm supposed to be working with length 23 for the lower side because her full length is 35. So her waist circumference is 24. So I went ahead to divide 24 by 6.28. See, I divided 24. Don't know if you can see. I divided 24 by 6.28. So I got 3.8. So this is what I'll be working with in cutting out the waist circumference. So I'll now use this 3.8 to mark out round on the to get my waist circumference. I don't know. I'm trying to push it so you can see here. So I'll be marking now 3.8 all through here plus the length of my skirt. So now when I add 3.8 to the length of my skirt, I'm supposed to be having almost 26, but what I have here is 25, but it's manageable. I can still work with it. So I'll be marking out 25 all through. Then after I remove my 3.8 from here. I don't know if you get me. If you don't, please do not hesitate to ask questions. So now I'll mark out 3.8 all round. .8, that's approximately 4, but I will still using my 3.8 because flares tend to expand, they tend to become wider after cutting. So most times it's even advisable to take out some inches from it. 3.8. So I'll just go ahead now. .8. Then I'll now mark out the main length of my skirt. You know, I've used half length is 12. So it's supposed to be 35, but I'll be cutting it out at 34 all through, since there's no joining for this. Pardon me, or in case you don't see. This is 35. This is 35. This is 35. So I'm going to go ahead now and put my scissors all around where I have marked. So I'm done cutting out this, and I guess it's just left with the cape. And you know, I can only cut the cape after joining it, so I can measure around and cut out. So see you guys